Excellent, excellent children. Well,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
I, I and my sister is doing from this device only. It's okay, na?
Okay. But you just, when you come in the class, you just remind me.
Ma'am, only for one day.
Only for today. Okay. What happened? May I know the reason?
Ma'am, in my sister's laptop, in the classroom, it is coming no internet again and again.
Okay, no problem. I will allow you today because you already informed me. Next time, take care. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, good morning, all of you. Once again, good morning. Good morning. Wish me good morning. You don't want to wish me good morning?
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Grade 4B. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome you all for today's class. Now, no need to write anything. Just put your pen pencil down.
Ma'am,
Yes, Iya.
Mama, cello tape देना.
Jignesh,
Maths
mute your mic,
worksheet.
please.
Then I do handing you. Got my maths worksheet.
Iya, your worksheet. Let me check. You getting no submission is done? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check.
Excuse
He no here. I have noticed I have not received something because it's my record. It is not showing. You just please check here, okay?
me,
And yes, yes, Dwani.
ma'am. My printer is not working, so I have submit you in worksheet only.
I have already told, mute your mic first of all, everyone. I have already informed, no, don't wait for the printer because I already told not to take the printouts. You just have to write the question and answer in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have sent you the worksheet. I have write in the
No,
worksheet.
but no. I want in the notebook next time. Okay, this is okay. I will accept. But from next time, you write everything in the notebook. I want you, please, the in the 1 year when you lost your writing habits, so that writing habit should come up again. Okay? जो एक
Excuse me,
साल
ma'am.
में yes.
Ma'am, you got my worksheet, notebook work.
Pritika, you just check if you are turning in. We will discuss it tomorrow more.
Hello,
If
ma'am.
you
You
are
got my.
turning in means I am receiving. Otherwise, I am not. In grade 4B, I am receiving very less work of the less students. Let me check. Pritika, you please check. If you are sending me, you please check it again. Because I have not received, I have not marked in my register. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now let
by mistakenly, I have not read that Indian chart. So I will, and then you have written, we have written that after that,
can I okay, Dheer, okay. Send me
after
again. Mute
that,
your mics. Mute your
after
mics
that.
now, Dheer.
Excuse
Please.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
Can I stick these numbers in my notebook with cello tape?
Yes. It's okay. You can stay. Now I will start my class. No discussion. Please mute your mics, everyone. Good morning, all of you. Now we are going to start our class. As I already told you to make your stickers on the numbers in this way. If you have not made in this way, it's okay. Now, first, what are we going to do with this? We are going to do one activity based on this. We are going to form the numbers. Forming means बनाना. हम अपने numbers बनाएंगे. Forming numbers. If I will follow the instructions and do along with me without unmuting your mic, I will give you instruction to select any 4 digit. If you have not pasted like this, what you do, you just turn upside down, like उल्टा करके आप अपने desk पे numbers को रख दो randomly. Put it
Ma'am.
on randomly numbers on. Children, if your mic is camera is off, it will be very difficult to talk to with you. Arush, yes, tell me, Arush Mayani.
Ma'am, what you are doing, because my network issue was there.
I've just started the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Deer, it's okay. Now you understand it and do it after the class. Now what you have to do, those who have made these chits from 0 to 9, nothing you write in the index. Wait and watch and listen. We are not doing any writing work. Now what you have to do is you just put the numbers from 0 to 9, the stickers which you have made, put it on your decks randomly, not in a serial order. Now, what you do is you open the new page of your notebook, write today's date, write C.W, write the heading forming numbers, and the same heading will go in your index now. You were asking about the index, Pritika. Now listen. The same heading forming numbers will go in the index as well as in your topic. Now, my first instruction is, if you not follow the instruction, you will not able to do. My first step is select any 4 digit from these numbers. Any 4. So randomly if I select, I will select this. So which is my number now here? Can you able to see? Harsh Keshwani. What is my number here? I got the first number is
8.
8. So this way you also select any one number from your stickers and write here. My number is 8. Jignesh, what is your number? First number is?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Vedi, what is your first number?
4.
4. Dhwani, what is your first number?
6.
6. So after writing this, put a comma. Now my second number is Riddhi. Can you see? Able to see which is my second number?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me which is my second number.
My second number is
I'm asking about my second number.
2.
2. So I'll write here. Next, Vihan. Vihan, you're doing this activity. Vihan, you tell me which is your second number. 4. Okay. This way you'd select any 4 digits from your numbers and write them with the comma. So I'm selecting the 3rd digit, which is 1, and the 4th digit, which is 3. Now I have selected the 4 digits. Now from these 4 digits, I will make one greatest number and one smallest number. So you also write in your notebook like this. Greatest, smallest. Write your own digits. And when you make the greatest number, what you will do? You will arrange them in ascending order or the descending order? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Raise the virtual hand. Let me check who's telling. Yes, Arav Hapani.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Big or small?
First is greatest, no?
No, ma'am, descending order.
Very good. Just a minute. So first is we are making greatest number. So we will arrange it. Very good, Jignesh. So we are arranging them in the descending order. Now, Mohammed will tell me. Mohammed, to make the greatest number out of these numbers which I have selected, which number will come first? Yes, Mohammed.
Descending.
Descending order, but in descending order, which number will come first out of these numbers?
8, ma'am.
Yes, Mohammed. Pay attention what your teacher is saying.
Yes, ma'am.
8 will come first.
Greatest and the smallest one is the 1.
Yes. So mute your mic now. I will ask from the next child. Pritika.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Array, wait, Pritika. Out of these given numbers, we are making the greatest number. बड़ा number बनाना. Pritika, mute your mic. I'm talking with Hare. Hare, you told no, you have not understood. Who is
Yes.
telling I can't? Okay. Array, listen here. These are the 4 digits which I have selected randomly. कुछ भी मुझे मिली 4 digits. In 4 digits को use करके I need to make a one greatest number. And when we make the greatest number, we start with the greater number because we have to arrange them in descending order.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Pritika. First is 8. What is the second number?
Ma'am, it will be 3.
Very good. It will be 3. Yes, Diva. Which will be the next number?
Yes, ma'am.
Which will be the next number after 3 out of these numbers?
2.
2. Next is Astha. Are you all making your
Yes,
own
ma'am.
greatest number? आप अपना greatest number बना रहे हैं साथ साथ? Because I am going to ask from you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Astha, which digit will come next now? Astha, 8, 2, 1, 3.
Ma'am.
Redhi, mute your mic, please.
First 8.
8 is already done.
1.
Yes, last one. Mute your mic. Astha, I don't know every day why your mic echoes. You please sit in that area where your network is good, okay?
Ma'am, see.
Wait a minute. No, greatest is 97. No. Here, mute your mic. Astha, mute your mic, please. Here.
Done, ma'am.
Wait now, let me explain to Hiya. Hiya, what you have done, you have selected 4 digit और 2 आपने greatest में लिख दी, 2 आपने smallest में लिख दी. That is wrong. Use all the 4 digit to make the greatest 4 digit number. We are making out of these 4 digit the greatest 4 digit and the
Ma'am, I have to write with the pen only, na?
yes, yes.
And see, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi is showing me. Dhwani is showing me. And I want to talk with Krishav Huria. Krishav Huria.
Ma'am, cursive is allowed, no?
Yes, cursive is allowed.
Okay.
I want to talk with Krishav Huria. Yes, let me pin on you, Kritika. Wait. Greatest number is 7542 and 2457. It's okay, but I want to make you notice here. See, did I put a comma here, Pritika, in any number? No, I will not put comma according to, because these are separate digits right now. Now I'm making the greatest number. When you make a big number, so you don't put the comma according to the digit wise. It will come according to the Indian system now. हर डिजिट के बाद कॉमा नहीं आएगा, कॉमा इंडियन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग आएगा. अब आपको इन्हीं नंबर्स से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. Riha, out of these given number, when you make the smallest number, which number will come first?
It will be 1.
1. Arth Gujarati. Which will be the next number?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the next number? We are arranging them in the smallest. Now we are making ascending order. 2. Moem, which is the next number? Children, be alert.
4.
4 is not here in my numbers.
3.
3. Jignesh, which is the next number?
What, ma'am?
Which is the next number? 8.
Yes, 8.
Now put the comma according to Indian system, not according to after every digit. No, every digit के बाद comma नहीं लगाना है. Indian system के according comma लगाना है. So what is this? This out of the given digits, you have made the greatest 4 digit number and the 4-digit number. Very good. So wait a minute here. Here, your greatest number is 9754. Which is your smallest number?
Ma'am, I am making smallest number.
Here, first of all, I want to know in which notebook you are writing. This is not your school notebook. Yes or no,
Ma'am,
Hiya?
I'm writing in rough notebook.
No, my dear, do in your classwork, means class notebook only.
See, ma'am.
And your spellings are wrong. Your greatest spelling is also wrong. You check your spellings. GREATEST. Yes,
Okay.
yeah, very good. Now I change the situation. If, for example, if I selected 2 times and I have 1, now make the greatest number and the smallest number. Any one number अगर repeat हो रहा है 2 बार, कोई भी एक number आप repeat कर रहे हो, तो how you will do it? Make the greatest number and the smallest number. Dhwani, will you try?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Oh, ma'am, if it is repeating, no, then we will do it first. We will write 8, then we will write 2 and then 1.
Yes. When you are repeating any digit, आप कोई सी भी अपने numbers में से एक digit को repeat करो, repeated digit will come together and put a comma according to Indian system. Hare, now you understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Hare, can you make the smallest number from this number?
Okay, ma'am. 1,
Diye, then take rest.
2, 2, 8.
1, 2, 2, 8 and put a comma according to Indian system. Are you all clear with this? So one situation is when you are repeating, the another second situation is that you are repeating any digit. In that situation, how you will make the greatest and the smallest number. Right, now the third situation comes. Third situation means if you have 0 in any number. If my numbers are these numbers, I have selected these 4 numbers, or I can select go with these 5 also. ये जो situations है, the forming numbers can go with 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 7 numbers. आप कितने numbers का भी number बना सकते हो. Clear? ध्यान रखना है कि greatest number को descending order में arrange करना है, smallest number बनाना है तो ascending में arrange करना है. Clear? Now these are my digits. 0 has come. How I will make the greatest number when the 0 situation is coming? In Jyoti, will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I can't see your board clearly.
So till now, what you were doing, my dear, if you don't speak?
Ma'am, greatest number will be 8, 2, 1 and 0.
Yes, greatest number पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा when there is a 0. फर्क पड़ेगा smallest number में. When you make the smallest number, here you will face the difference. Here, if you write 0 first, 0, 1, 2, 8, your answer will be wrong. Can anyone tell me why? Abhi tak to you were learning that the smallest number will come first. Yes, Pritika, can you justify this?
Ma'am, in the smallest number, it can be not be 0 first.
Why? Who will tell me why I'm telling when we make the smallest number, why the 0 will not come first? Raise your virtual hands. Moim, you know this reason? Moin.
Yes.
You know why 0 will not come when we make the smallest number? Why 0 will not come first? You have raised your hand, that's why I'm asking from you. Don't sit simply in my class. I'm asking something, my dear. Why 0 will not come first? Why I has done wrong? Okay, I'll go to next child. Riddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me why 0 will not come first in the
Zero
small.
has no value. That's why it will be only one.
Yes, 0 will not come first, because if 0 come first, then it will not be a 4-digit number. It will be a 3-digit number only, because 0 has no value. So we will read as 128 only, right? So whenever we make the smallest number, when the 0 is there, we will never write 0 first. Always the place of 0 is second. So making the smallest number, first 1 will come, then 0, then 2, and then 8. Always the place of 0 is second, not the first in making the smallest numbers. Are you all clear? Now it is the 4-digit number. If you put 0 first, then it will be a 3-digit number, because 0 has no value. Put a comma according to Indian system. Clear? Yes or no? So to make the greatest and the smallest digit from the given digits is clear. अब हो सकता है कि given digit आपके पास 5 हो सकता है आपके पास given digit 3 भी हो. 3 से greatest number बनाइए. For example, if I give you 5 digits, it was 4 digits. अभी तक हम 4 digits का कर रहे थे. Sometimes 5 digits भी हो सकती हैं. In 5 digits से भी आप greatest smallest बनाइए. Sometimes you will get only 3 digits. Different digits, 3. Make the greatest and the smallest out of these 3 digits. So it depends on how many number of digits are given to you, and you need to make the new number which is greatest or smallest.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if all the numbers are same, so how we will make
If all the numbers are same, then it will be the same number only. Greatest on the smallest same. Okay. No difference. Clear? This concept is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we do successor and predecessor. You all know what is successor and what is predecessor? Who will tell me what is successor? Raise your virtual hand. We have done in our recap classes also. Raise your virtual hand faster. Let me take the attendance for a minute.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, just a minute.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, only 2-3 students are raising their hands. Why always these students, the same number of students and the same students? I will ask from Harav Harpani. Harav Harpani, what do you mean by the word successor and what do you mean by the word predecessor? Arav, when you raise your hand, when you turn on your mic, you please speak.
Yes.
What do you mean by the word successor and what do you mean by... First tell me, what do you mean by the word successor?
Yes.
Yes is not the answer. Be confident in your maths class. Yes is not only the answer. Mute your mic, please. Mute your mic. Arav, you please be active in my class next time. Moksh, you tell me, what do you mean by the word successor?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by the word successor?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know word successor means what?
Yes, I forgot it.
Okay. Krishav, you tell me, what do you mean by the word successor?
Ma'am, successor means that the number comes afterward. That is
Yes,
successor.
after number. What is the successor of 299? Write in the chat box. Successor of 299. Everyone, please write in the chat box. Jignesh, take care. It is 299 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 300 is the. These are the smaller numbers, so you can easily do. If I give you the larger numbers, a 4-digit or a 5-digit number, same procedure will go. Plus one only you will do. But sometimes in a hurry, you will not able to calculate and you do in a hurry. So please take a note. 1,23,499. So what is the successor of this larger number? Write in the chat box. Write in the chat box means I am expecting from everyone, not from one child. And please do not.
Ma'am, this 229 one we have to write.
No. Just understand the successor and predecessor. No need to write.
Okay.
Please, Arav Apani, check the digits. आपको board नहीं दिख रहा Arav Apani? And Riddhi, you also please check the digits what you have done. Arav, you stay after the class. I need to talk to you. So many of you have written 1,23,500. Procedure is same. Plus one करके ही आपको successor means after number निकालना है. Clear? No, you no need to write, Pritika. I'm going to send you the worksheet based on it. Next is predecessor.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
If my printer is not working, so I have to write worksheet in the last page.
No. On your notebook regular page.
Okay.
Every day. Not as I already instructed, you no need to take out the printouts. Every day you write your worksheet in your notebook only. If your printer gets good also, then also you no need to take out the printout. You write all question and answer in your notebook. Now, next is Diva. Diva, you tell me what do you mean by the word predecessor? We have done these words in the recap also when I was doing the revision of the chapters. You have already learned in grade 3. What do you mean by the word predecessor?
Yes, ma'am. Predecessor means less.
Less what?
Number.
So predecessor exactly after or before number का ही एक part है, right? So it is the before numbers. आप synonyms learn करते हैं ना इंग्लिश में, same meaning निकलता है, right? तो predecessor जो है वो before है. अगर आपको ये terms का मतलब ही नहीं पता होगा तो आप procedure कर पाओगे? नहीं कर पाओगे. So before numbers are the predecessors, successor means after. predecessor plus one करेंगे number में जो number given है. predecessor means minus one करेंगे. Mute your mic, Diva. Once your answering part is done, this is the instruction for everyone. You please mute your mic fast. Successor means after number. So in this case, you do plus one. If the number is 300, so minus 1 is 299 is the predecessor. If the number is 300 same, so if you need to find the successor of this number plus 1, you will get 301. So this is the successor of 300 and 299 is the predecessor of 300. Got it, everyone? So I'm going to send you the worksheet based on successor and predecessor plus forming numbers. The given digits होंगी आपके पास, एक टेबल बनी हुई होगी, there are the numbers given होंगे, आपको you need to write the greatest number and the smallest number of that digits, जो digit आपको टेबल में given होंगी. Clear? Till here it is clear to everyone? Okay, now I am giving you one more about the Roman numbers. Who all know about the Roman numbers? What are Roman numbers?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I know Roman numbers.
I know.
I'm like grade 1, there is coming 1.
Ma'am, I know.
Two lines.
Yes, yes.
3, 3, 4.
Very good.
One line, two lines, three
So
lines.
today I will give you some brief introduction about Roman numbers, and tomorrow we will continue it. Roman numbers. Roman numbers in ancient time, when Roman persons were there, they were not writing 1, 2, 3. They write in their Roman language. Can you give me one example where you see Roman numbers till now? Somewhere we can see Roman numbers. कहाँ हमें देखने को मिलते हैं?
Our grade.
Grades में कई बार लिखा हुआ होता है.
Ma'am, clock.
Clock में, yes, clock also with the Roman numbers, right?
Watch.
Watch. Okay. So
Ma'am, I have written Roman numbers.
very good. I will give you. Please write this in your notebook. Write the heading Roman numbers. And today we will learn Roman numbers till 10. Faster write. 1 means one single line. Or you can put a up and upside down lines also. Both the ways are clear. If you write only one single, this is also clear. So better you write in this way, 2. And 2 is the, in this, sorry, this is 1, this is 2. One standing line is for 1. 2 standing line is for 2.
Ma'am, with pen?
Yes. Will I tell you to write with the pencil? No. Write with the pen only. 2, 3. 3 standing lines. 4. Now tell me, I will ask from you all only. Jignesh. Jignesh, for 4 I have written 4 standing lines. Am I right?
No, ma'am, it's wrong.
No, there is a rule that any Roman number will not repeat more than 3 times. 3 बार से ज़्यादा. ये एक Roman number था कि first को हम 1 कहते हैं. So this is the first which we have repeated for 2 here twice, for 3 here thrice, 3 times we repeated. But there is a rule in the Roman numbers that we cannot repeat any Roman number more than 3 times. So we cannot write in this way. This is wrong.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to put one standing line and one V.
Because for
And
5,
we write V.
yes, for 5 is V. Okay, there are some basic Roman numbers. For 1 is I, for 5 is V, for 10 is X. So when we write 5, we write V, but here we are subtracting 1. We are subtracting 1 from the 5 because 4 is less than 5. How many less? 1 number less. So when we subtract 1 number from 5, we write towards the left side I. एक number subtract किया है. So IV is for 4. You are not writing Muhammad. Please write this in your notebook. And for 5, we write V.
Ma'am, can I say of 6?
Arush will tell me. Arush, what will be for the 6? I will write. Arush, what will be for the 6? What is the Roman number of 6? Roman number of 5 is V.
Okay.
And V में +1 करेंगे तो +1 के लिए 1 I right side में जुड़ जाता है. So it is V1.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can't see your board
Now
after
see.
the line.
Yes.
So 6 is VI. When we do plus numbers, so we'll plus the numbers right hand side. When we subtract the numbers, we subtract towards the left hand side of that number. So 4 is IV and the 6 is VI. Got it? 7 is V 2 times I. Don't write Muhammad Moin 1. You don't need to write 1. This is the I symbol. 8 is V for 5 and 3 standing lines. So 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. And then 9. As you all know, 10 के लिए, as I already told, 10 is for X.
Ma'am,
So जब X है, wait a minute, very good. And तो 9 क्या होगा? X में से -1 left side में करेंगे, तो this is 9.
and X is 10.
Yeah. Now your today's home activity is write all these Roman numbers with the matchstick on one A4 size paper. Matchstick paper. You have to make it with the matchsticks. Okay. Make these Roman numbers with the matchsticks. Got it? Till 1 to 10.
We have to stick it.
Yeah, you have to stick it on A4 size paper. All the instruction I will give in the classroom. Okay?
Ma'am, with glue, no?
Yeah, you glue only. Oh, it will be possible with the glue only to stick. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.